Just wanted to point out on this video that this looks like where the pole is shifting down and bringing the cold air down at this particular time of day. And it's right around midnight. When it changes from 26 to 27, that's midnight at 1900 hours. So all we have to do is look at it during the day tomorrow and see if it changes during the daytime hours. If this is gone, then that means this could be the pole shifting down at this particular time of day, around midnight. That would make sense because the sun would be rising on the other side of the world around this time, so I can go check the other cameras just to see, starting with China or the Eastern Europe, Middle East, or someplace over there. Look at the cameras and see if the sun is rising, which it should be. Here's an object that is above the Asian continent. I can't give out the location exactly, or I'll lose. The camera will be turned off because I've tried to do films of this place. This webcam will be turned off. It's very secret location. So anyway, just thought I'd let y'all see what's above the Earth. That's over the Asian continent at 1700 hours, so it's around 5 o'clock. 1736, I think, their time. Okay. Here's another view of it before the clouds covered it up. This is 1700 hours, and this was on June the 20th. So it wasn't today. It's June 20th, but at 5 o'clock their time. And on the other side of the screen is this. It's sort of like I don't know if it's ice on the lens or it looks like ice crystals or something. I don't know. This is what's up there. I have been watching this camera for a long time, so it's always been there. It's just now that we're seeing up close, it's getting closer and more defined. I've never seen this much definition, so it must be getting closer. It's like a sponge or something. Well, I'm going to go and see if there's any other pictures of it. I just found it, so this camera has been turned off for a long time. So this is the first I've seen of it. Okay, I found another shot of it. This is at the same day at 1639. I'll zoom in a little bit closer. So it must be rotating because we're seeing different sides. See, this has got a big hole on it, this side. So it's rotating around for each picture I've seen. It looks different each time. This is at 1829. Same day on June 20th, and as the sun is setting, I guess it's going out of frame or something, I don't know, but I lose the image of it as the sun sets. It's going out of, visibility of it here. This is at 1852. Here's the same day, June 20th. And this is it. As it goes out of the frame, it changes color. Looks more like a sundog. And here's one more picture. This was on June 21st, 2019 at 17:48 p.m. And that's the last one I could find. I mean, there was other ones before and after this, but it's real cloudy, and you have to peer through the clouds to see it. You can see it behind the clouds, but it's really hard to see. I can show them to you. But let me zoom in on this one first before I go do that. Let's forward on this, because I can't just flip from screen to screen. I have to zoom in and zoom out, and then, change to the different times, because I've got it set up where it's really hard to just scroll through the, sequences. Let me zoom in on this one a little bit better. Looks for all the world like a planet being shredded, and it's just like a hull or a shell of what's left after it's had all the everything siphoned out of it, See, it looks like there's holes and cavities in it from it being shredded or siphoned. Okay, this is the same day as June 21st, 2019 at 17:26. Just minutes before that last picture I just showed you. And this is behind the clouds, so it's not a sundog. I guess this is the ice crystals on the lens here. I'm not sure. There's a close-up of it. And here I'll zoom in on it. Amazing.